Are you interested in starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face on camera? You're not alone. Many people feel uncomfortable being on camera, yet still want to share their passions and knowledge with the world. The good news is, it's absolutely possible to build a successful YouTube channel without ever revealing your face. The key is to choose a niche that allows you to create engaging and informative content without having to be on camera. In this video, I'm going to explore the first step to starting a faceless YouTube channel, choosing a niche. I'm going to discuss the importance of selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, as well as one that has the potential to be profitable. I'll also provide some tips on how to research and validate your chosen niche, so that you can start your YouTube journey with confidence. Whether you're interested in traveling, technology, or anything in between, there's a niche out there that's perfect for you. If this sounds like what you're into, then be sure to like and share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So, let's dive in and discover how to choose the right niche for your faceless YouTube channel. The initial step you can take right away is selecting a niche. I will be disclosing the top 6 lucrative niches along with example channels within each niche, their monetization strategies, video creation techniques, and revenue generation methods. From my point of view, the most beneficial YouTube niches include health, wealth, happiness, relationships, travel, and technology. You may be curious as to why these niches outperform others that also generate millions of views. In my opinion, they excel because they meet certain criteria that I deem significant. 1. High demand. The first criterion is that these niches consistently generate videos that garner over 100,000 views, which indicates substantial demand. You may argue that other channels also have demand, and that is true, but many of those channels fail to meet the following criteria. 2. High CPM. I will now explain the second criterion for selecting the ideal niche, which is to have a reasonable to high CPM, which stands for cost per impression. CPM is a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. It refers to the amount of money you can earn, on average, for every 1,000 views on your YouTube channel, through ad revenue. It is advantageous because you have the potential to earn significant income even if your view count is not very high. 3. Alternative monetization sources. Moving on to the third criterion, the best niches must have alternative monetization sources. This implies that you can generate income through various methods, rather than solely depending on ad revenue. I earn most of my income from alternative monetization sources, which is highly beneficial. Perhaps you're wondering which sources I'm referring to. They consist of affiliate marketing and the sale of digital products, such as courses, ebooks, and other items. The beauty of the niches I just mentioned is that they fulfill all 3 of these criteria. Besides fulfilling these 3 criteria, it's important that you focus on a particular subcategory within these niches. And this is because of several reasons. Firstly, when a video gains traction, it will boost all the other videos on your channel. As a result, if viewers see related videos, they are likely to watch those as well. Secondly, you'll have a higher view to subscribe ratio. Lastly, I'll be sharing my number 1 secret for obtaining views and subscribers that I've scarcely discussed online in another video. Now, let's delve into some of these specific subcategory niches, as well as some example case study channels within these niches. To start off, let's talk about the health niche, with a particular emphasis on the subcategory of building muscle. For instance, we can take a look at the YouTube channel Body Hub, which has more than 1 million subscribers and garners approximately 300,000 views each month, demonstrating that they have earned a gold play button. Another lucrative niche for making money on YouTube without showing your face or creating videos is the happiness niche. This niche primarily focuses on personal development, self-improvement, and overall happiness. People are constantly on the lookout for ways to enhance their lives, whether it involves meditation, positive thinking, or other methodologies. Consequently, the happiness niche is immensely popular on YouTube. In this niche, several channels are lucrative, but The School of Life is an exceptional exemplar with over 8 million subscribers. Their focus is on topics such as emotional intelligence, relationships, and existential questions, and their videos are noteworthy for their unique approach, often featuring animation and narration to convey their concepts. Owing to their robust brand and devoted following, they can monetize their content through various means, including promoting books, courses, and other products. If you're interested in creating content within the happiness niche, there are many different paths you can take. However, It's essential to ensure that your content provides value to your audience by offering actionable tips and recommendations that can help them improve their lives. The relationships niche encompasses a variety of topics relating to human connections, including dating, marriage, family, and friendships. Within this niche, there are numerous subcategories such as relationship advice, couples therapy, and psychology. Psych2Go is an example of a popular channel that has mental health and psychology animated content. With over 10 million subscribers and over 1 billion views, it has become a well-known source for mental health and relationships. Next up is the wealth niche, where the personal finance subcategory is particularly lucrative. Individuals are continuously seeking methods to cut costs, manage their budget efficiently, and make smart investments. The Financial Diet is an exceptional channel that falls under this subcategory, boasting over 1.1 million subscribers and regularly garnering hundreds of thousands of views per video. Their content encompasses various topics related to personal finance, ranging from tips on saving money on groceries to strategies for paying off debt. The channel's earnings stem from several sources, such as advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Moreover, they operate an online platform where they market books and ebooks centered around personal finance. Entrepreneurship is another facet of the wealth category that draws many individuals who aspire to start their own ventures and be their own bosses. One channel that stands out in this niche is Gary Vee. With more than 4 million subscribers, Gary Vee is widely recognized for his motivational content, entrepreneurship guidance, and social media marketing insights. He also hosts a well-liked podcast and has authored several books on business and personal development. There are several excellent niches and subcategories on YouTube that can help you earn passive income without revealing your face or creating your videos. With some research and dedication, you can find the perfect niche and start earning on YouTube. On the other hand, the travel niche is also highly sought after on YouTube. It revolves around sharing travel experiences, exploring different destinations, and offering travel tips to viewers. Subcategories within this niche include budget travel, luxury travel, solo travel, adventure travel, and more. Expedia is a successful travel channel with over 1 million subscribers that takes people around the world with their unique travel content. The technology niche is the sixth category that covers a broad range of subcategories such as hardware, software, gadgets, cell apps, and gaming, among others. If you are fond of exploring and examining cutting-edge products, gadgets, and software, the technology niche may be the best fit for you. One of the most successful technology channels on YouTube is TechZone. With over 4 million subscribers, this YouTube channel showcases top 10 inventions, gadgets, and other tech products without showing a face. Creating a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face or making videos is possible if you select the right niche and put in the effort to create quality content that resonates with your target audience. It is crucial to note that building a thriving YouTube channel requires time, consistency, and hard work. Nevertheless, with the right mindset, knowledge, and tools, you can transform your YouTube channel into a lucrative business that generates passive income for years to come. I hope that this video has given you some ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.